What's going on there, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys yet again with another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can get 8.6% a year on your guys' money. And as you guys saw in the title and in the thumbnail of this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can maximize your amount of money that you have in your savings account or your checking account that isn't just sitting there doing absolutely nothing for you and able to earn an 8.6% a year on your money. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be breaking down what Blockfi is and essentially why I recommend it to each and every single one of you. But more importantly, let's do this math. For every $1,000 that you have inside your Blockfi account, you're able to earn 8.6% on that. So essentially what that means is you will earn $86 a year on your $1,000. Now obviously dollar is essentially not the right term because in this aspect we are actually going to be using cryptocurrency. But we're going to be using one of my most favorite cryptocurrencies, and that is Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. So exactly what are we covering in this video? Number one is, what is Blockfi? And exactly how does Blockfi even work? How are you able to earn 8.6% a year on the money that you have invested in this? And final, number three is, do I actually recommend it to you? So Blockfi actually started with helping owners of cryptocurrencies trade their cryptocurrency. It forms as a actual traditional wallet so that you can just store your cryptocurrency. That is essentially why Blockfi was a thing. And then they started implementing this high interest savings account so that you can hold your cryptos inside their wallets and earn a percentage every single year. Now obviously it didn't start at 8.6%, and I know there's a lot of fluctuations on why and how you can get it to 8.6%. I think my personal crypto portfolio is right around 6% a year in terms of what I have invested inside my wallet. Now obviously as you guys know, Bitcoin and all these other cryptocurrencies always fluctuate. They go up and down, but one thing I really love about Blockfi is they actually allow you to trade almost a coin that is essentially going to follow the dollar amount. So if a dollar is worth $1, then this $1, which happens to be GUSD is going to perform the same as the dollar as well. So you're able to invest into a cryptocurrency like GUSD where you are able to follow the dollar. It's equal to the same amount as the US dollar. And it's able to trade, and you're able to earn 8.6% a year on your money. The second coin that allows you to trade and make this 8.6% a year is also going to fluctuate based on the dollar amount. And again, the second coin is called STLB, and that stands for smashing the thumbs up button on this YouTube video because supposedly helps the YouTube algorithm. So go ahead and do that for me right now. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure and come subscribe. As you guys can see, I got my 100,000 follower plaque in the background of TikTok. YouTube, I'm waiting for my 100,000 plaque as well, but we're gonna get there, guys. Thanks for your guys' love and support, so make sure and subscribe if you guys are brand new. Let's jump right back into it. One thing I love about Blockfi is it actually allows you to have compounding interest. So not only are you earning this 8.6% a year, but your account's continuously growing. Therefore, you're able to compound the money that it is that you have inside this wallet, and you're able to earn more money essentially on your money. I think it's very diverse rather than going and putting it in a traditional savings account where you can earn 2.1% a year, maybe if you are lucky at your Wells Fargo bank or something, where Blockfi actually allows you to get a little lucrative in this aspect of things. So let's just break down what compounding interest and simple interest means. So let's just say you put $1,000 in a savings account and you're gonna earn 2% a year. So you're gonna earn 2% a year on your $1,000. At the end of the year, you're gonna have $1,020, and then of course the next year you're gonna have $1,040. So it's not really compounding in a sense. You're not making more money on your money. So I'm gonna break down exactly what compounding interest truly means. So let's just take it for example and give you guys compounding interest right here. You invest $1,000 $2,000, let's just say it is still again at 2%. Yes, again, that first year you're gonna make $1,020. Now, however, on this second year, the 2% is actually applied to the $1,020. Therefore, you're gonna be making $20.4. Therefore, you're gonna have $1,040.40. That, ladies and gentlemen, is compounding interest that Blockfi actually allows you to do inside their wallet. It doesn't seem like a massive amount of money. Again, you only made 40 more cents with your compounding interest account. But ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about investing $1,000. Now, again, if you guys can do the same exact math on if you had $10,000 or $100,000 or even $1 million, ladies and gentlemen, therefore, you are able to earn that compounding interest as those numbers increase. I know at $1,000 it didn't seem sexy, but at least you guys could have an idea of where it is that you guys could go with your guys' compound interest account. And so if you guys are interested in actually getting started in Blockfi, I actually have a referral link in the description below. It's gonna be the first link of the description. It is a referral link, so yes, you and I will both get $10 free of cryptocurrency when you invest $100 and save it in that account for 30 days. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, then definitely go into the description in the link below. If you guys don't want the free $10, you guys can always go to Blockfi on the website and just do it your guys' and set it up yourselves. Now let's jump into how Blockfi actually works. Because you guys might be wondering, Austin, how is Blockfi actually able to give these massive numbers and massive interest and compounding interest on a yearly basis to individuals like you and myself at 8.6%? So here's exactly how Blockfi actually does it. Blockfi actually lends this money to big, large corporations that these large corporations that are borrowing this money from Blockfi are actually able to pay back Blockfi because they are one of the most reputable businesses and companies in the world. So the Blockfi knows that your and I's money is not ever going to get lost. We are going to be able to earn our 8.6% every single year because we are backing by some of the largest companies in the world. Let's just say some company is going to borrow GUSD from Blockfi. So what Blockfi actually does is, let's just say they're borrowing $100. What Blockfi actually does is it charges them double, $200. So that way there's no real risk. Because if a company agrees to paying $200 on top of the $100, so pretty much essentially doubling their takeout or investment, then they obviously know that there is no risk for those and that company is actually super reputable. Therefore, they know that they're going to be able to earn that money back. And another good thing about Blockfi is they actually have an automated risk management system. And I'll read this here to you guys. The monitors positions 24/7, providing the same trusted risk management system used with Blockfi's crypto-backed loans. Blockfi also has the ability to terminate and borrow in timely fashion and also manages reserve balance to facilitate clients with withdrawals from their interest accounts. One thing when investing into Blockfi is it's actually not backed by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation or even the NCUA. So that is something to take a look at before you guys are investing into Blockfi. There's always going to be a risk when investing your money into Blockfi. So now you guys know how we can actually generate utilizing these loans with Blockfi. How do they actually store the cryptocurrencies? So where they actually store all these funds is actually on the Gemini cryptocurrency. Therefore, I'm gonna read this to you guys here. How does Blockfi securely store client crypto assets? Blockfi clients, read on the screen, ladies and gentlemen. Blockfi client assets are securely deposited with our primary custodian, Gemini, at a unique wallet address generated by Gemini, a New York trusted company licensed by the New York State Department of Financial Services. And you guys might be wondering who actually owns Gemini. Well, it's actually quite funny. The same people that essentially came up with Facebook. So as I mentioned, Blockfi and Gemini. Gemini is Blockfi's main custodian. Therefore, our crypto assets are really held in trust. Therefore, we know that we potentially are not going to be losing our money. What's so cool is that Gemini actually keeps 95% of their assets in cold storage and 5% in hot wallets that are covered by insurance provided by Aon. Arrington Capital, Coinbase, Hashkey, Avon Ventures, Kinetic Capital, Morgan Creek, Galaxy, and a ton of other really big corporations. Blockfi offers one free withdrawal every single month. If you do have to withdraw more than just one, then they are going to charge you a small fee. Now let's get to the part, is it actually recommended for you? We're gonna dive right into that right now. So first of all, is it recommended for you? One, you just have to think, is it actually going to be a risk that you are willing to take for the returns that you're going to have? Again, to see 8.6% a year on the money that you have sitting inside Blockfi is a substantial amount of money. I know that is very similar to what even real estate is paying right now in today's world. Some people are lucky to get 8% in real estate by buying and holding properties. It is definitely an investment that is a risk, but at the same time, you do receive a large reward. Something to take a look at as well is understanding that what is the interest flex payment option that Blockfi actually offers for those of you that have your money inside Blockfi that allows you to earn that 8.6% is interest payments flex allows BIA clients to choose the currency they're interested in getting paid in. So if you are not interested in getting paid in BTC, or you're not interested in getting paid in Ethereum, or you just want GUSD, then again, you can choose to receive different cryptocurrencies on your liking. So they do not schedule exactly what it is that they want to pay out into your wallet. They schedule what it is that you want to be paid out in. So I think that's something really cool about Blockfi that allows you to actually choose the cryptocurrency or the currency that it is that you actually want to get paid out on. So again, ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in getting started with Blockfi, I'm going to have a link in the description below. When you invest $100, you're going to get $10 free at the end of your 30 days paid out in any cryptocurrency that it is that you guys are interested in. That concludes today's video. Hopefully you guys got some value from this video. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, drop in the comment section down below. Austin Lewis here saying thank you guys so much for smashing the thumbs up button on this video, because supposedly it helps the YouTube gods give me a little bit more views and a little bit more subscribers. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure to subscribe. If you guys would like to see some more cryptocurrency videos, then definitely drop in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for showing up to today's video. Austin Lewis here saying we'll see you guys in a future YouTube video.